scorched wing, tussock, white ermine, marbled coronet, green carpet, phoenix. We lift them out, look at them through hand lenses, marvel at their intricacy. We leave them in the shade to sleep out. They merge into garden. Later they will flap in quick quivers, heat their delicate tiled wings, fly into the dark.
And show some moths, and then for those of you that can stay to walk down to the river.
Rapidly, or not. For the few hours.
Introduce the lip of the tube to his head and he'll walk into it. Brilliant. Red and yellow with a pinky red band across the... Please cut off those antennaes, please don't do that. And they activate all their... Square spot rustic, flounce rustic and large yellow underwing. Square spot rustic has got a nice...
The yellow ear is a sallow.
Centre-barred sallow. They start coming quite early in the spring. When they get here they start...
So the little white...
Many of them are terribly small. This is one of the larger ones. They're short. It's going to mean five. So actually, the college here we have just for producing apparatus, the little toadstools. They are, well, not quite sulphur yellow, but they're quite a bright yellow. But then they...
You said it was
You can look at first of all, the physical structure. And when you look round here, we're in this lovely arena, really rather attractive curved wooded bank over there. Man introduces you know them a lot.
Well, there were two things. Did you know where to protect? And this is sort of play time.
Beth fydd syth arno fo. Thank you very much.
I think, and many other people think, that we have sitting here one of Britain's best novelists and one of Britain's best writers in prose.
Insects and gorse have raised red beaded scratches and abrupt fibrous lumps on calf and face. Fence posts become lookout towers for the goshawk. Standing stones become plucking blocks for the merlin and the hobby, and on them blood...
A flight of 6 cormorants struggled in awkwardly from the north, stiff-winged, veering this way and that, craning their necks to find leads through air that was buffeting and solid as water. A solitary raven in virtuoso display tumbled and soared nearby, watchful, as though a basilisk glare from the sea hags might turn him to drop himself.
To Newydd, but of course the bill is not being paid by to Newydd. What we have to do now is raise, if we've got a glass, to thank Chrissy. Chrissy, where are you? Chrissy Evans of Lapidus, because Lapidus has brought us on extraordinarily generous, and we're very, very grateful.